Hey, hey, hey. Good evening, y'all. 60 plus is beat. My ass is. Y'all, my ass is wore out. I did my first live for 3 hours and some change, and then I went out and went back on. Man, listen, only almost 70K total, but the goal, my moderator set was 65K. Whew. So I had 42 and change on the first one, 27 on the second one. So whew, I already set my grace, y'all, but that be taking too much time on this thing. This should be going by so quick. God bless the food again. Y'all, this, oh Lord, I forgot to show y'all my smothered pork chop with vegetable. Ooh, that looks so good. Not vegetable, fried cabbage with my condiments. And I got this because I saw something flying around just before I shut down. So I got this to do that. This shit might not even be hot enough.
For years. And then he got a little bit worried about getting a wheelchair to the airport. That's always been a problem for him to get somewhere and you're like, yeah, we have wheelchairs. And like that, like,
I'll be on point with that seasoning.
Like, you can barely sit in.
We're gonna go get a baggage card.
That's not even funny, because what if we do? What if we do have to get a baggage card?
This is so good. I gotta show y'all again.
It's not just getting Houston that has me. My mom and dad actually moved down there around 8 years ago. And my mom said she'd come with me and help me get to Dr. Nelson's.
But this Seneca is thick as hell.
Hi, I need a plus-size wheelchair over about...
I had 2 big ones for $256. I said, oh yeah, and it was good too. You know how they try to sell you shit, and when you turn it over, the top look good, the bottom is turning green. Fresh chops for $256. 2 big thick ones.
I'm really nervous about a lot of stuff, and I just hope I can make this trip.
I bought a 3-pack for $336.
I'm already feeling winded, and my back and my knees are killing me.
I'm literally about eating on that too, man.
Focus on what I need to do. And now think about how humiliating it is to have to be pushed through the airport.
Got sporting cars with you, man.
I'm in a lot of pain right now, so I hope I can make it.
Well, I might not finish.
But the problem will be if I can't fit, because
Yeah, what a knife to cut it.
to get back to my wheelchair. And if that happens, we're gonna have a big problem.
You wanna sit up here?
It's kind of tough. I air fried it.
Now I just hope I can make it all the way there, because I don't really have a choice.
Next time I'm gonna boil it. It's the same thing. Boil it and just put it in gravy to make it softer for me.
So I only have to make it 3.5 hours. And hopefully the worst of all.
That's how I'm gonna do it the next time. I ain't trying to mess with my tooth and come out again.
I'm not feeling well, and I'm scared this is taking too much out of me. So I don't know how I'm gonna make it. But I'm trying to not panic and just move on. This whole trip is so
No, this shit tough as hell.
I'm in a lot of pain. So I'm happy
It is tough.
and off this one. I'm completely out of energy.
Well, at least y'all got to see it.
My body has been
I'm gonna still eat what I can eat.
able to do much more.
But I don't like leaving nothing that's still on me. I gotta try to get it off to the best I can. I'm not gonna leave it sitting there. That's the far as it went. Yeah, the pork chop is kind of tough, y'all. I wish I could eat it the way I want to eat it. It's so tough.
Wait, can you move me out so it's not like in the front of everybody, please?
I'ma ball this shit.
Honey, don't tell me to calm down.
Make it tender and then, you know, put it in the gravy that way. This I can't even cut it. Damn. Y'all, I ain't gonna be messing with this pork chop too tough. Much as I love pork chop.
And I don't want him to push himself. If anything were to happen to him because of this trip, I wouldn't be able to ever forgive myself. So I'm trying not to push much on it.
I lost my damn food.
I'm just focusing on getting what we need. Just want to get this over with. Oh my god.
Sorry about that, y'all. I'm already at 6 minutes.
He's off. We're gonna see Dr. Now tomorrow. Because if it doesn't, I don't think I'll be able to handle it.
I gotta do videos of me eating.
But right now, I just really need to get to the hotel and get in bed. Because I feel like I'm gonna pass out.
Me eating softer food.
Oh, babe,
I ain't gonna get through this.
I'm really hungry. Can we stop off and get a burrito?
60 plus ain't gonna get through this, y'all.
I want like a big burrito, babe. Like steak, sardines, sashimi, the works, you know? Give me a quesadilla.
I want to thank everybody for turning me up on my live.
I'm feeling really hungry. And I'm already like kind of stressing out about tomorrow when I fly home.
Void deal.
I feel like I barely was able to.
I ain't gonna be able to put up you gifting me up the way you gift me up. But I'm gonna see what I got in my clips. That man turned me up with over 700 roses and some other gifts. I don't even know what they were. They was coming so quick, and he was tapping the screen, sending up hearts. I was like, wow.
Today's been a really long day. So I'm pretty exhausted. My ankles are really swollen to the point where they are like throbbing. I just want to get to the hotel.
I got blessed when I went out and went back on another live.
Hopefully
I made
tomorrow,
over 42K on my first live. 27 something on the second one.
For my first appointment.
I said, I'm shutting down. My goal was 65K. 27 and 42 was what?
For right now, I'm gonna think to the
69, almost 70K.
and that goes well.
69 and some change.
But this will have all been for nothing.
That's what me. 2 lives. Back to
I'm
back.
gonna use a lot in first week. Because I'm still sore from yesterday.
2 lives, y'all.
My appointment with Dr.
Y'all, I gotta go.
And my mom will be here in a minute. But
At least y'all got to see the food. Y'all excuse all this. 60 plus is hot from her live and her eye messed up from sleeping on it. Let me see it. I'm trying to be careful chewing. I'm still chewing on that pork chop. This gravy is so good to it too.
Brandon, all that weight is crushing your insides. You can die. I'm just scared for you.
I am too.
It is so good.
I love you so much, and I want you to be successful, and you gotta do it. Even if you need
I'm gonna give a shout out to my moderator
You
Shirley.
gotta do it, Brandon. I'm not ready to. I don't want you
My
to do
queen
it.
been hanging in there from the beginning to the
I
end.
don't want you to die either. That's why I'm here.
Thank you so much.
I'm heartbroken seeing her like this. She was so overweight the last time I saw her, but I'm afraid she's gonna die.
Appreciate all y'all who showed out for me. Gotta go now.
It's nice to see my mom, but it was more emotional than I thought. I just hope
Sorry, I'm
it's all
out. Gotta
good.
go. 9:45. Later.